Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is week six of the macro overview series. Um, Before I start, I'd just like to apologize for this late upload, and I assure you it won't happen again. Yeah, there is a good amount of news to get into for this past week. So let's just get started. First, I'd like to talk about the news in the Asia region. Majority of the news in the Asia region has been in China this past week. First, I'd like to talk about the Central Bank of China and how it decided to boost stimulus in order to help the COVID hit economy. They have decided to cut the amount of cash which lenders must hold in reserve. They've decided to reduce the reserve requirement ratio by 25 basis points, and this is being done in order to support the economy, which is currently facing a high number of COVID cases and a continued property downturn. So what this decision will do is it'll inject 500 billion yuan or $70 billion of liquidity into the economy, and this will help improve the property crisis in the country as it will improve the access to credit for consumers and investors in China. Next, I'd like to talk about China's property sector. State-owned banks such as Bank of China, Bank of Communications, etc., have planned to provide are just some of the banks that have planned to provide around $30.7 billion worth of new credit lines. This is being done in order to support the housing market, which is a key objective for the Chinese government. And it is a key objective because China has a quickly growing population, and as a result, housing is a necessity. If this does not happen, there could be a risk of excess demand and higher prices, and this can hurt the economy in the future. Moreover, this policy is also beneficial because construction delays and liquidity issues are two reasons that have put a hold on the housing industry. Offering credit to support property developers can help firms that are struggling with cash flow, and as a result, this change can evidently have a huge multiplier effect and positive externalities for the whole economy. Thank you for watching this brief summary video of what's been going on in the Asia region this past week. Please do follow our social media pages as shown above, and see you next week.